The Buddha and Ananda were being in the city, and they passed the first messenger, and the Buddha said, Ananda, cast a loaf where the fish are hanging, and smell your finger. And Ananda did this and said, my fingers is awful. And the Buddha said, this is the same like meet with friends. If you meet with bad people, you will become bad. This is like the smell from the loaf in the fish manger. And they pass the spice shop, and the Buddha said, Ananda, touch the space wrapper and smell your finger. And Ananda did this and said, my fingers smell very nice. And the Buddha said, this is the same like making friends. And if you meet with good people, you will become a good person. And this is the same. This is like the smell. This is like the smell which you get from the space wrapper. And if you meet with good people and honest, you will become bad person. But if you meet with bad people or lazy men, you will become bad person. Making friends. Thank you.